Okay, so I am going to try doing this live. I'm putting together a smart heated mattress pad. Gonna start from the beginning here and see if we can go through what these things do uh, and how to make them, quote, smart. So, you want to support me doing this? You can send me some coffee. Link right there and in the description. So what am I doing? I'm going to try to add either an ESP8266 or similar to these Sunbeam P85KQ controllers. And I'm kind of hoping, there's a small bit of hope inside of me that says maybe these actually have some kind of microcontroller or something that I can tap into. I've been watching a lot of Gindra videos lately, and so hitting a little bit of reverse engineering on these might be neat, but I'm pretty sure they're going to be pretty dumb once I get into them. And so the idea is to kind of hook the GPIOs of the ESP8266 kind of onto the buttons to maintain whatever safety features the things have, and then be able to just sort of control, turn them on, turn them off, mix it up a little bit smart with maybe some scheduling the heat, maybe doing something else. I'm not really quite sure. I'm just kind of looking at this as a going through a project. So, secondary objectives here: looking do over-the-air firmware updates. My wife and I have a mattress pad that uses these. My parents actually have two at their house, one for their bed and one for the guest bed. And so being able to do over-the-air firmware updates that I can push updates to them. I bought these on eBay for like 20 bucks, an extra set here. The idea is if I can get these running, put them on our bed, work out any of the bugs, modify our set, send those up to my parents. They can swap out that one, and then we can kind of swap along the line. And then if anything needs to get updated along the way, OTAs in place. And security. And again, more about getting experience in securing an embedded device with Wi-Fi, that sort of thing. But also, like, yeah, so it's a heater plugged into the internet. So there's going to be firewalls and things like that, but they're, consumer grade routers in my parents' case. So security is important. So here we go. Got these two here. Again, they are the P85KQ. Get the camera focus here. There we go. No, P85KQ. Take my word for it. They're Sunbeam. So let's see here. This is the guy that has the way these kind of function. You have one side that hooks into the power outlet. I'm in the US. That's my plug there. And one side that plugs into the bed. So, and it kind of goes from one over to the other. That one goes over into the bed, and that one goes in the wall. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a shot here at pulling this thing apart. Again, I have done absolutely nothing to this point on these. I have put more effort into getting my streaming set up for this than I have this. So I'm going to take a guess at these little plugs here being where the screws are. Let's see if I can get these out. So another thing I should mention while I'm at it here is that one of my, so I kind of just wanted to play around with streaming, but in addition, I'm kind of hoping that somebody out there uh, will have some input into what I'm doing. So if you do, I believe, if I'm doing this right, that the chat channel is open. Please say hi. Found the screws here. They're just regular Phillips. And those little rubber stoppers there. And if you know significantly more about this than I do, then please say something. Anyway, seems like a nice project. They get your bed all nice and warmed up. Definitely a first world thing over here. But I tend to use it. I'll throw it on the preheat setting, which pulls it up to kind of a hot setting just to get the bed warmed, and then after that has happened, it'll drop it down to whatever setting you have it at, and I just keep it on low. Mostly just kind of kills that chill when you're climbing into bed. So first off, to look at things here, there does appear to be something resembling a microcontroller in there, but that, judging by the pins here, I'm going to guess is also involved with driving the LCD. So I guess one of the first things we should do here is write down the chip information here and get an idea so we can look this up. Looking for, looks like ST. SC7CC7 -1. All right. And there's a 9 9 1 JX V6. MYS, some kind of like a blank 99 blank 004. There's another one up here and a symbol here I can't quite make out. It's a circle of some kind. So it would appear this thing has passed quality control number 1 and 2 and is version 2.2 of this board. And there does appear to be, I'm going to guess, is a voltage regulator here, so that's good. I was hoping there'd be something in here I could tap into power. There does also appear to be quite a bit of room in this case. Sorry, the lighting here is terrible. That I might be able to fit that controller in there, maybe like 3D print a little bracket or something for it. I'm going to go ahead and end this here, go do a little research on the chip, and maybe do this again later. Thanks for watching.